MG काशी विद्यापीठ यूनिवर्सिटी वाराणसी MSc थर्ड सेमेस्टर फिजिक्स पेपर फर्स्ट लेजर एंड ऑप्टो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स यूनिट फर्स्ट लेजर थ्योरी आइंस्टीन कोएफिशिएंट लाइट एप्लीकेशन थ्रेशोल्ड कंडीशन लेजर रेट इक्वेशन 2 3 and 4 लेवल सिस्टम यूनिट टू लेजर पावर अराउंड थ्रेशोल्ड ऑप्टिमम आउटपुट कपलिंग लाइन ब्रोडेनिंग मैकेनिज्म नेचुरल कोलिजन एंड Doppler optical resonator modes of a rectangular cavity and open planar resonator modes of a confocal resonator system general spherical resonator high order mode unit third essential criterion to observe non-linear optical effect first experiment demonstration of nonlinear phenomena classical theory of nonlinear response in one dimension generalization to three dimension unit third non-linear coupling of wave to produce sum and difference frequency Mallet-Rowe relation and their significance sum and difference frequency difference generation when both input frequency are larger parametric conversion and amplification MSc थर्ड सेमेस्टर फिजिक्स पेपर सेकेंड न्यूक्लियर फिजिक्स फर्स्ट यूनिट फर्स्ट बेसिक फैक्ट्स अबाउट न्यूक्लियाई मास एंड बाइंडिंग एनर्जी सेमी एक्सपेरिकल मास फार्मूला न्यूक्लियर साइज डिटर्मिनेशन यूजिंग म्यूजिक X-ray and scattering of facts electron nuclear spin and magnetic moment of nuclei molecular beam resonance method nuclear resonance absorption and induction methods electric quadrupole moment unit second alpha decay experimental result of alpha decay alpha spectra and Ginger neutral relation theory of alpha decay beta spectra Fermi theory of beta decay Sargent's law, Curie plots allowed and forbidden transition, parity violation in beta decay, detection of neutrino, unit third gamma emission, multipolarity of gamma ray, selection rules, theoretical prediction of decay, constant emission, estimation of transition probabilities, internal conversion, triangular correlation, nuclear isomerism, Moss-Ball effect, unit fourth, nuclear reaction, conservation law, the Q equation and deduction of nuclear energy level, compound nucleus, Bohr hypothesis, resonance phenomena, Breit-Binger one level formula, unit second, alpha decay experimental result of alpha decay, alpha spectra and Ginger neutral relation theory of alpha decay, beta spectra, Fermi theory of beta decay, Sargent's law, Curie plots allow and forbidden transition, parity violation in beta decay, detection of neutrino, unit third gamma emission, multipolarity of gamma ray, selection rules, theoretical prediction of decay constant, estimation of transition probabilities, internal conversion, angular correlation, nuclear isomerism, Moss-Ball effect, unit 4, nuclear reaction, conservation law, the Q question and deduction of nuclear energy level, compound nucleus, Bohr hypothesis, resonance phenomena, Berry-Binger one level formula, optical model, simple discussion of direct reaction, nuclear fission, Bohr-Wheeler theory of nuclear fission, controlled chain reaction, nuclear reactor. Syllabus MSc third semester physics paper third, electronics first, linear wave shaping, high pass and low pass RC networks, response to sinusoidal step pulse, square waves, exponential and ramp input, high pass RC circuit, and a differential creation for good diffraction, double differentiation, low pass RC circuit, and an integrator, Laplace transform, and their application to circuit elements. Amplifier, difference amplifier, band amplifier, methods for achieving broadbanding, emitter, follower, and high frequency operational amplifier and its application. IC 741 active filters. Unit 3 power supply, electronically regulated power supplied converter and inverter, high and low voltage supply, switched mode power supply, SMPS. Unit 4 integrate circuit fabrication technology, basic monolithic integrated circuit step involved in the manufactures of monolithic IC, epitaxy, masking, etching, diffusion, metallization, bonding, assembling package types. Introduction to VLSI technique. MSc third semester physics, paper fourth electronics second, logic hardware, transition and a switch, switching times, definition and derivation, storage time, time delay time, turn on time, turn off time, charge control analysis, logic specification, fans in, fan out, noise immunity, noise margin, propagation delay, power dissipation, logic family, DTL, DCTL, I2L, ECL, TTL, CMOSL, CML, STL. Unit 2 number system and Boolean algebra, binary, octal and hexagonal number system, binary arithmetic circuit, binary codes, ग्रे 84 21 24 21 52 11, Boolean variable and operational simplification of Boolean expression, Karnaugh maps. Unit 3 multi vibration, a stable, monostable and bistable multi vibration, Schmitt triggers, 555 timer, SR, JK, T and DJ, master slave flip flops, race problem and edge trigger, JK flips flop, preset and clear function. Unit 4 counter and register, binary counter, modulus of counters, asynchronous and synchronous counter, reset methods, logic gating methods, ring counter, shift register, SISO, PIPO, SIPO, PISO, universal shift register, translate switched trigger register. काशी विद्यापीठ यूनिवर्सिटी वाराणसी, MSc थर्ड सेमेस्टर एग्जामिनेशन 2015, फिजिक्स फर्स्ट पेपर, लेजर एंड ऑप्टो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन शॉर्ट. A. What do you understand by term light amplification and how is it is achieved in the case of laser? Explain. B. What are the advantages of 4-level laser over 3-level lasers? Explain what is necessary condition for laser. D. What are properties of laser beam? A. Helium neon laser is operating at 632.8 nanometer. Calculate the ratio of simultaneous emission of spontaneous emission coefficient. F. What is confocal resonator arrangement? Discuss the difference with spherical resonator. G. What is the difference between temporal coherence and spatial coherence? How the temporal coherence can be insulated? H. What is non-linear optics? Explain the difference between linear and non-linear optics. First, explain the significance of Manele-Rolle relation. J. How can we generate the difference of frequencies of three waves using non-linear coupling? Unit first, explain the process of spontaneous emission, absorption and simultaneous emission. Derive the relation between Einstein and the B coefficient. Or why the population inversion is not possible for two-level ledger. Derive the condition for achieving population inversion in a three-level ledger. Unit second. How does carbon dioxide ledger operate? Explain the construction and working of the carbon dioxide ledger. Or what do you means by the stability of an optical resonator? So that the stability condition for a general spherical mirror resonator constituting two TWO2 concave mirror of a radii curvature R1 and R2 and separated by a distance L is given by 0 is less than or equal to 1 minus L upon R1. Question 1 minus L upon R2 is less than or equal to 1. Unit third. Give the classical theory of nonlinear response. How can it be generated in 3D three-dimensional? Or Satwa, how can nonlinear phenomena be demonstrated through experiments? Explain with important significance. Unit 4. 8. Solve the coupled amplitude equation for the case of second harmonic generator with the initial condition A2 equal to 0 and A1 arbitrary and Z equal to 0. Assume that del K is arbitrary. Also sketched how a mod of A in bracket 2W का whole square varies with J for several value of K. Or 9. Explain why process such as second harmonic generation can be efficiently only if the phase matching relation del K equal to 0 is satisfied, whereas no such requirement occurs for the case of the two photons absorption. काशी विद्यापीठ यूनिवर्सिटी वाराणसी MSc थर्ड सेमेस्टर एग्जामिनेशन 2015 फिजिक्स सेकेंड पेपर न्यूक्लियर फिजिक्स नोट आंसर 5 क्वेश्चन इन ऑल शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 कैरिंग 40 मार्क्स इन कंप्यूटरी आंसर 1 क्वेश्चन कैरिंग 15 मार्क्स फॉर each unit. Give short answer of the following question. पहला एक्सप्लेन वाई न्यूक्लियस इज एज्यूम्ड स्फेरिकल. दूसरा द ग्रेटेस्ट बाइंडिंग एनर्जी पर न्यूक्लियॉन्स एक्यूर नियर 56 FE मच लेस देन 238. यू एक्सप्लेन दिस इन टर्म्स ऑफ द सेमी इम्पेरिकल न्यूक्लियर बाइंडिंग एनर्जी. तीसरा हाउ वी एक्सप्लेन पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव एंड जीरो वैल्यू ऑफ फॉर इलेक्ट्रिक quadrupole moment. Write down Zinger-Newton relation and explain the difference term used. पांचवा has a beta decay interaction and any concern with parity explain. Define nuclear isomerism. सातवां how much is maximum possible energy of the gamma rays expected in nuclear decay. आठवां explain the function of moderator in nuclear reactor. नौवां define exothermic and endothermic nuclear reaction on the basis of theta value. 10वां write down B Winger 1 level formula. Unit first define V scatter semi empirical mass formula on the basis of the liquid drop model of nucleus. Or mention variation methods for determining the size of the nucleus and describe one in details. Unit second. What is theta value of nuclear reaction? Derive formula for theta in terms of masses and the kinetic energy of incident and product particle. Or derive formula for excitation energy of a virtual level in a compound nucleus. Unit third. Explain in details multipolarity of gamma ray. Or what are the application of Maxwell effect in the nuclear generation physics. Unit 4. 5. What are different methods of detection of neutrino? Explain one of them in details. Or explain alpha decay in radioactive nucleus. Or obtain a relationship between decay constant lambda and the turning probability P. काशी विद्यापीठ यूनिवर्सिटी MSc थर्ड सेमेस्टर एग्जामिनेशन 2015 फिजिक्स थर्ड पेपर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स फर्स्ट आंसर्ड 5 क्वेश्चन इन all short answer type question. Number 1 carrying 40 mark in compulsory answer the one question carrying 15 marks for each unit. Answer the following question in short. पहला, what do you means by differential circuit? What is the criterion for good differentiation? दूसरा, find the Laplace transformation a e के पावर at and b sin t sin at. तीसरा, राइट शॉर्ट नोट्स ऑफ IC 741. चौथा, व्हाट इज एन इमीटर फॉलोवर गिव्स इट्स सर्किट डायग्राम. पांचवा, व्हाट इज CMRR एंड ए स्क्यू रेट ऑफ एन OPAMP. छठवां, व्हाट आर कन्वर्टर एंड इन्वर्टर गिव्स डिफरेंस बिटवीन देम. सातवां, एक्सप्लेन ट्रांजिस्टर सीरीज वोल्टेज रेगुलेटर with necessary circuit diagram. 8वां, what do you means by regulation and stability factor of a power supply? Write the expression for percentage of regulation. 9वां, give an advantage and limitation of integrated circuit. 10वां, what do you means by LSI and VLSI where VLSI technology is used? Unit first, what do you understand by wave shaping circuit? Explain linear and non-linear wave shaping. Discuss the response of high pass RC circuit and a differentiator and low pass RC circuit as a integrator. Or a, define Laplace transform and inverse Laplace transform state and prove the initial and final value theorems. B, an inductor of 3 Henry is in series with resistance of 30 ohms and an EMF of 150 volt. Using Laplace transformation method, find the current at t greater than 0, assuming that the current is 0 and t is equal to 0. Unit second, what are the characteristics of an ideal and a practical operation amplifier? Discuss the use of OPAMP as A, an adder, B, a scale change, and C, an AC voltage follower. Or पांचवा, what do you understand by an active and a passive filter? Discuss the use of OPAMP in active filter. Draw the circuit diagram of high and low pass active filter using OPAMP and their frequency response curve indicating their cuts of frequencies. Unit third. छठवां, what do you means by electronically regulated power supply? Explain the meaning of good regulation. Write the cause for poor regulation. What is the necessity of having filter in power supply? The output voltage from a power supply drops from 320 volts 20 मेगा एम्पियर to 280 volts and 120 मेगा एम्पियर. Find the percentage of regulation over this range. Or सातवां, write 3 reasons why an unregulated power supply is not good enough for some application. Draw a simplified circuit diagram of an electronically regulated power supply and gives working. What types of feedback is implied by the regulator? Unit 4. 8वां, name and explain different process involved in the fabrication monolithic integrated circuit. How will you fabricated monolithic integrated circuit? NPN transistor. Or 9वां, describe exponential growth photo etching process and making. How many masks are required to complete an IC? List of the function performed by each mask. Explain how isolation between components in obtained in an IC. काशी विद्यापीठ यूनिवर्सिटी वाराणसी MSc थर्ड सेमेस्टर एग्जामिनेशन 2015 फिजिक्स फोर्थ पेपर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स सेकंड नोट्स. आंसर 5 क्वेश्चन इन ऑल short answer type question. Number 1 carrying 40 mark in compulsory. Answer one question carrying 15 marks for each unit. Answer the following question in short. What is the Schmidt trigger? B. Discuss the operational of D types flip flop. C. What do you means by bias? 84 sports. D. What do you understand by CMOS logic system? Draw the circuit diagram of CMOS inverter. E. Prove that A B C plus A B bar C plus A B C bar equal to A क्वेश्चन में B plus C and A B bar plus A bar B bar C plus A bar B C equal to A bar C plus A B bar. F. What do you understand by fans in and fans out? G. Define a sequential system. How does it differ from a combinational system? H. What do you means by the series in series out register? I. Discuss about the arithmetic circuit. J. What do you understand by three slate switches? Unit first. Draw the starting transitional transistor switching circuit and explain the variation switching times when transistor makes a transition from the cuts off state to the saturation state and backs. Or what do you universal gates? Draw the positive logic R and not gate circuit with two diodes and also explain the circuit of NOT gates. Unit second. Minimize the functions f of a comma b comma c comma d equal to summation m क्वेश्चन में 0, 2, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 15 using Karnaugh maps or converts a binary number 10 of decimal equivalents. दूसरा converts decimal 9 to hexadecimal. तीसरा convert decimal numbers 897 to octal numbers. चौथा converts octal numbers 1654.37 क्वेश्चन 1 to decimal numbers. पांचवा converts binary 1011 into gray code. Unit third. छठवां discuss the working of LJK flip flop. What is race around condition? How can it be removed using master slave flip flops? Or सातवां what is multi vibrator? Name the different classes of multi vibrator. Discuss the operational of bistable multivibrator with the help of the circuit diagram. Unit 4. What is a shift register? Explain the operator of a fourth bit shift register. Or ninth. Draw the block diagram of a ripple counter. Sketch the wave form at the output of each flip flop for a 3-stage counter. Discuss how this wave from chart in obtained. काशी विद्यापीठ यूनिवर्सिटी वाराणसी MSc थर्ड सेमेस्टर एग्जामिनेशन 2016 फिजिक्स फर्स्ट पेपर लेजर एंड ऑप्टो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स. आंसर 5 क्वेश्चन इन ऑल शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 कैरिंग marks in compulsory. Answer 1 question carrying 15 marks from each unit. Answer the following question in short. A. Explain the concept of non-linear polarization. B. Discuss some optical phenomena caused by non-linear polarization. C. What is coherence state? D. Why is it impossible to create population inversion in a two-level system? E. What do you mean by population inversion? Simulated emission and spontaneous emission. F. Explain verify the variation features which disguised laser light from arbitrary lights. G. What do you understand by optical wave missing? H. Briefly describe spherical resonator. F. What do you understand by light amplification and how it is achieved in the case of lasers? J. Explain the significance of Marley-Rao relation. Unit first. Write down the rate of equation for a 4-level laser system and hence find out of the threshold condition for the laser action. Why the population inversion can be more easily obtained in a 4-level laser. Write down the rate equation of a three-level laser system and obtain the expression. Describe the modes of a rectangular cavity and when open planar resonator. Unit 3 छठवां. What is meant by parametric amplification in a constant of light? Discuss the roles of this process in generating lasers light. Or discuss the generator of second harmonic wave of a laser wave propagating in a non-linear medium. Obtain the condition of phase matching and explain why it is necessary. Unit 4 what is the physical principle of non-linear optical mixing technique? You obtain the condition of phase matching for collinear and collinear propagation of three waves. Or Nomak A. What for laser radiation propagating in some dielectric medium? So the phenomena of self-focusing. Explain the origin this phenomena. B. Why the second order non-linear optical effect is the non-observed in the centrosymmetric crystals. काशी विद्यापीठ यूनिवर्सिटी वाराणसी थर्ड सेमेस्टर एग्जामिनेशन 2016 फिजिक्स सेकेंड पेपर न्यूक्लियर फिजिक्स फर्स्ट नोट्स आंसर 5 क्वेश्चन इन ऑल शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 कैरिंग 40 मार्क्स इच कंपल्सरी आंसर 1 क्वेश्चन कैरिंग 15 मार्क्स फॉर इच यूनिट. पहला गिव्स शॉर्ट आंसर ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट एक्सप्लेन मास डिफेक्ट. दूसरा डिफाइन इलेक्ट्रिक क्वाड्रापोल मोमेंट ऑफ न्यूक्लियस एंड राइट इट्स इम्पोर्टेंस. तीसरा राइट डाउन द न्यूक्लियस रिएक्शन ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ बीटा डीके. चौथा राइट द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द अल्फा पार्टिकल्स. पांचवा व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय इंटरनल कन्वर्जन. छठवां व्हाट इज मास बहर इफेक्ट. सातवां व्हाट आर द सिलेक्शन रूल्स फॉर द इमिशन ऑफ गामा रेज. आठवां व्हाट डू यू स्ट्रोपिंग एंड पिक अप रजिस्टर रिएक्शंस. नौवां व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय द टर्म्स एक्साइटेशन एनर्जी ऑफ द कंपाउंड न्यूक्लियस. दसवां डिस्कस गाइस बिटवीन अनकंट्रोल्ड एंड कंट्रोल्ड चेन रिएक्शन. यूनिट फर्स्ट मेंशन variation methods for determining the size of nucleus and describe any one in details. Or explain the terms of binding energy, nuclear spin and magnetic moment of nuclei. Unit second explain Gamow theory of alpha decay. How is Ginger-Newton's law derived for it? Or give Fermi's theory of beta decay. How far that has this theory been verified experimentally? Unit third describe verify the methods of measuring the energy of gamma rays. सातवां राइट्स नोट्स ऑन न्यूक्लियर आइसोमरिज्म. दूसरा एंगुलर कोरिलेशन इन गामा इमिशन. यूनिट फोर्थ. आठवां गिव्स ब्रीट विंजर सिंगल फार्मूला लेबल्स formula for scattering and absorption cross section in the vicinity of the resonance observation in neutron reaction. Or now write short notes on any three. पहला the Q question. दूसरा कंपाउंड न्यूक्लियस. तीसरा न्यूक्लियर फ्यूजन. चौथा न्यूक्लियर रिएक्टर्स. काशी विद्यापीठ यूनिवर्सिटी वाराणसी एमएससी थर्ड सेमेस्टर एग्जामिनेशन 2016 फिजिक्स थर्ड पेपर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स फर्स्ट नोट्स. राइट द 5 क्वेश्चन इन ऑल शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 कैरिंग 40 मार्क्स इन कंपल्सरी आंसर 1 क्वेश्चन कैरिंग 15 मार्क्स फॉर ईच यूनिट. फर्स्ट आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन शॉर्ट. ए व्हाट इज द इंटीग्रेटेड सर्किट. बी व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय द लीनियर वेव शेपिंग एंड नॉन लीनियर वेव शेपिंग. सी explain active filters. D what are the criteria for good differentiation. E what do you means by voltage regulation. F. Describe switch modes power supply. G. What do you means by Laplace transformation? H. Explain emitter follower. I. Name the basics processing step used in the fabrication of VLSI circuit. J. What is meant by double differentiation? That देखिए छठवां, व्हाट इज अनइंटीग्रेटेड एंड रेगुलेटेड डीसी पावर सप्लाई? ड्रा द complete circuit diagram of regulated power supply and explain the function of the circuit elements. और सातवां, what is the function of performed by the power supply? Describe the types of power supply and mention in its application. Unit 4th. आठवां, discuss the differential step involved in fabricated a monolithic integrated circuit. Give an advantage of elimination of ICS. और नौवां, explain broadband amplifier with suitable diagram. Describe the methods for achieving broadbanding. काशी विद्यापीठ वाराणसी, MSc थर्ड सेमेस्टर, एग्जामिनेशन 2016, फिजिक्स फोर्थ पेपर, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स सेकेंड्स. Answer the question 5 question in all short answer type question. Number 1, carrying 14 marks in compulsory. Answer 1 question carrying 15 marks for each units. Answer the following questions in short. पहला, in which types of application should ECL not be used and why? दूसरा, what do you means by turn off on time of a transistor? Third, what do you understand by 1s complement and 2s complements of binary number? चौथा, define radix base of a number system. पांचवा, what is the need of for having a clock flip flops? सातवां, what is race problem in flip flops? आठवां, what is meant by variation states in multi vibrator? Differential the variation by multiplier on the basis of these states. आठवां, what is the most significant advantage of a synchronous counter over a ripple counter? नौवां, what do you means by tri-state register, where these register and used? दसवां, defined universal shift register. Unit first, discuss the relative advantage of disadvantage of unipolar and bipolar switching device. दूसरा, what do you means by noise margin in a logic circuit? तीसरा, what is propagation decay and at what points on the wave is measured? or draw the circuit diagram of TTL NOR gate and explain its working. What are advantage and disadvantage of TTL gates over CMOS gates? Unit second. First, what is gray codes? Underline the procedure for converting for a given binary number to its gray codes equivalent. दूसरा, with the help of an illustration, verify describing the process of repeated left shift and add to multiply two given binary numbers. How do you understand determine the sign of products? तीसरा, do the following number conversion. A, IBF 0.25 bracket 16 is equal to question mark 10. B, 65.35 in bracket 10 is equal to question mark 16. R, पांचवा, what it means by SOP and POS? Form the Boolean expression. Simplify the following Boolean expression using K-maps. Y in bracket A, B, C, D is equal to summation M in bracket 0, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14. Unit third. 6. It is often desirable to trigger a 555 monostable multi vibration either on leading edge or on the trailing edge of continuous pulse trains suggest 555 monoshaft circuit for these two cases are. Satwa, why is a K flip flop called a universal flip flop? So the logic implementation of a T flip flops and a D flip flops using JK flip flops. Unit 4th. Athwa, what is the hardware required to construct a MOD 3 counts in the natural counts sequence using flip-flops and draw the circuit of arrangement or NOVA with the help of function diagram. Describe the operation principle of a 4-bit parallel in series out of shift register. काशी विद्यापीठ यूनिवर्सिटी वाराणसी MSc थर्ड सेमेस्टर एग्जामिनेशन 2017 फिजिक्स फर्स्ट लेजर एंड ऑप्टो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स नोट्स आंसर 5 क्वेश्चन इन ऑल शार्ट टाइप क्वेश्चंस नंबर 1 कैरिंग 14 मार्क्स इन कंपल्सरी आंसर द वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस में है ए व्हाट डू यू मीन्स बाय कोहेरेंस इन्यूमरेटेड द differences between temporal and spatial coherence b two level leisure and practically difficult to achieve what population invasion c how a 4-level leisure is superior over a 3-level leisure d explain the phenomena of line broadening in leisure d enumerated the difference between conofocal and spherical resonator f what is non-linear optics explain the difference between non-linear and linear and non-linear optics 9 write down the Manly-Rowe relation h discuss the essential secretion of absorbed non-linear defects how can we generate the sum of frequencies of 3 wave using non-linear coupling j a laser beam of 5 MW has a wavelength of 328 angstrom calculate the number of the photon emitted per second first derive the interrelation between 3 Einstein coefficient and state is physical significance or a derive the threshold condition for laser action also explain the laser losses b right pumping is required in laser derive the condition for achieving population inversion in 4-level laser unit second what it means by the stability of an optical resonator so that's the stability of a general spherical mirror resonator constant of two concave mirror of radii of curvature R1 and R2 and separated by a distance L in given by 0 is less than or equal to question में 1 minus L upon R1 दूसरे क्वेश्चन में 1 minus L upon R2 is less than or equal to 1 और पांचवा describe the modes of regulator cavity and the open plant unit third छठवां discuss the first experimentally observation of non-linear phenomena explain the important signification or सातवां gives the classical theory of non-linear resonance response in dimension how can it be generated in 3 dimension unit 4 what is means by parametric amplification in the constant of the light discuss the role of these process in generating laser lights or NOVA explain why processes such as a second harmonic generator can be efficient only if the phase matching relation del k is equal to 0 satisfied where as no such requirement occurs for the case to photons absorption काशी विद्यापीठ यूनिवर्सिटी वाराणसी MSc थर्ड सेमेस्टर एग्जामिनेशन 2017 फिजिक्स सेकेंड पेपर न्यूक्लियर फिजिक्स नोट्स आंसर 5 क्वेश्चन इन ऑल शार्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 कैरिंग पहला गिव शार्ट आंसर टाइप of the following question पहला व्हाट इज द ओरिजिन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट ऑफ न्यूक्लियाई दूसरा गिव एक्सप्लेन द नंबर्स बाइंडिंग एनर्जी कर्व। तीसरा व्हाट इज द क्यूरिट प्लॉट एंड हाउ इट्स हेल्प इन फाइंडिंग द इफेक्टिव मास ऑफ न्यूट्रिनोस। चौथा व्हाट आर स्ट्रिपिंग एंड पिक अप रिएक्शन। पाँचवा राइट डाउन द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ न्यूट्रिनो। छठवां व्हाट आर द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ मासबर स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी। सातवां डिस्कस द वेरिएशन पार्ट्स ऑफ द न्यूक्लियस रिएक्टर्स। आठवां डिस्कस द कंजर्वेशन लॉ इन पार्टिकल फिजिक्स। नौवां स्टेट द बोर्स हाइपोथेसिस। दसवां व्हाट इज ऑप्टिकल मॉडल्स। यूनिट फर्स्ट एक्सप्लेन द थ्योरी ऑफ न्यूक्लियर रिसोनेंस एंड इट्स वेरिएशन एप्लीकेशन। आर डिस्क्राइब वेरीफाई all terms in the semiconductor mass formula. Unit second describe the variation technique which are used in the neutrino detection. Or explain the cobalt 1600 CO experimental and its importance. Unit third discuss the multipolarity of gamma rays and associated selection rules. Describe verify the internal conversion process. आठवां डिस्क्राइब वेरीफाई द बोर्स व्हीलर थ्योरी ऑफ न्यूक्लियर फिजन। और नौवां राइट शॉर्ट नोट्स ऑन फर्स्ट डायरेक्ट रिएक्शन, सेकेंड कंट्रोल चेन रिएक्शन। काशी विद्यापीठ यूनिवर्सिटी वाराणसी एमएससी थर्ड सेमेस्टर एग्जामिनेशन 2017 फिजिक्स थर्ड पेपर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स। फर्स्ट आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन शॉर्ट्स। ए वेरीफाई डिस्कस द रिस्पॉन्स ऑफ लो पास आरसी नेटवर्क विथ स्क्वायर वेव। B. Discuss the application of Laplace transform. C. Draw the circuit diagram of an emitter follower. D. Draw the diagram of high pass active filter using OP-Amp. Gives its frequency response curve. E. Explain input offsets, voltage and currents. F. Verify describe switch modes, power supply. G. What do you understand by making how many masks are required to complete an IC. H. Describe double differentiation. First, how is an integrated circuit and PN transition fabricated. J. What do you understand by voltage regulation? Mention and voltage regulation circuits. Unit first. What do you mean by linear wave shaping? Discuss the response of high pass RC network with sinusoidal and the pulse wave input. What is the certain for good differentiation? R. Define Laplace transform and inversion Laplace transform. Describe its application of two circuit elements. Unit second. What are difference amplifier and broadband amplifier? Discuss the methods of achieving broadbanding. Why broadband amplifier are used. Or what do you means by virtual grounds in OP-Amp? Describe the usage of OP-Amp as voltage to current converter. Current to voltage converter, scale changer, summing amplifier. Unit third. What do you means by unregulated power supply? Give reasons why an unregulated power supply is not good enough for some application. Define percentage of regulation. What is the necessity of filters in a power supply? What do you understand by power supply, converter and inverters? Give the circuit diagram of a converter and explain the working. Unit fourth. Describe the variation step involved in a manufacturing of monolithic ICs. Or Nova. What are the basis integrated circuit? Explain how is isolation between components is obtained in IC. What do you means by SSI, MSI, LSI and VLSI technique? Where are the VLSI technique used? काशी विद्यापीठ यूनिवर्सिटी वाराणसी एमएससी थर्ड सेमेस्टर एग्जामिनेशन 2017 फॉलोइंग फोर्थ पेपर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स। आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन शॉर्ट्स। फर्स्ट, व्हाट डू यू प्रोपेगेट डिले एंड एट व्हाट पॉइंट्स ऑन द वेवफॉर्म इन is measured. Second, what is means by the positive logic and negative logic, so that the circuit and gate is positive logic is equivalent to OR gate is in negative logic. तीसरा, state and explain the De Morgan theorem and for the Boolean algebra. चौथा, compare the advantage of disadvantage of using sign bits magnitude and 2s complement notation of representing positive and negative numbers. पाँचवा, what it means by the assemble monostable and bistable multivibration mention the use of all the three types of multiplication. छठवां, what do you overcome the race around problem in flip flop. सातवां, differentiate between age triggered flip flops and the labels triggered flip flops. आठवां, what is the a shift register, classify its. नौवां, disguised between a ripples counter and the synchronous counter, define the modulus of a counter units. First, with the help of suitable diagram, discuss the following switching times of transistor: a delay time, b rise time and fall time, c storage time. दूसरा, explain what it means by the fan in and fan out for a digital circuit. A 3-input NAND gate can derived at similar gates input. What is the fan in and fan out? Draw and explain the circuit diagram of a NAND gate using TTL logics. What are the advantage and disadvantage of TTL gates over CMOS gates? Unit second. First, prove that at bits 2s complements arithmetic can be used to perform addition of two decimal number when the expected result lies outside the range -128 to +127. दूसरा, with the help of an example outline the steps required for converting an octal number into an equivalent binary and a binary number into an equivalent number octal. तीसरा, write the 84 BCD equivalent of the following binary numbers: 110 b 10.011 और पाँचवा, implement the following Boolean expression: y a.b.c plus a.b bar plus c bar b plus a bar b bar c bar plus a bar b bar c bar with minimum numbers of gates. दूसरा, simplify the functions y equal to a bar bc plus a b bar c plus a b c bar plus a b c by using the Karnaugh maps and draw the simplified logic circuit. Unit third. 6. With the help of a circuit diagram, explain in brief the assemble modes of operation of the timer IC 555. Derive the expression for the frequency or the output waveform. Or Satma, what is needs for having a chocked flip flop? Draw the logic representation of circuit symbol and truth table of clocked RS flip flops. Unit 4. With the help of the logic diagram and the timing wave, describe the functioning or a serial in serial out shift register. R. With the help of the function diagram, explain how can 3 bits shift counter be used in modulus 5 counters. महात्मा गांधी काशी विद्यापीठ यूनिवर्सिटी वाराणसी एमएससी थर्ड सेमेस्टर एग्जामिनेशन 2018 फिजिक्स फर्स्ट पेपर लेजर एंड ऑप्टो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स नोट्स. फर्स्ट, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन शॉर्ट्स. फर्स्ट, हाउ डज लेजर लाइट डिफर फ्रॉम द लाइट ऑफ ए फिलामेंट लैम्प. दूसरा, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन कोहेरेंस एंड मोनोक्रोमेटिक ऑफ लेजर. तीसरा, व्हाट डू यू मीन्स बाय द थर्मल इक्विलिब्रियम, हाउ इज it affected the latching action. चौथा, what do you means by mod cooling in a passive resonator. पांचवा, how the transverse modes are suppressed in the laser. पांचवा, how the transverse modes of shade in lasers. छठवां, differentiated the homogeneous and inhomogeneous broadening. आठवां सातवां, explain how is the spatial symmetry effect of susceptibility of medium. सातवां, how the non-linear optical effect of are observed. नौवां, what do you means by terms frequency of convergence. 10वां, what is the optical para effects. Unit first. Second, explain Einstein coefficient and device and expression showing that the ratio of spontaneous to stimulated emission is given by A upon B rho of W is equal to exponential SW upon KT minus 1, where the symbols have their usual meaning are. तीसरा, what is threshold condition of laser action so that the threshold value y suffix s is given by gamma h and alpha suffix s plus 1 upon 2l l suffix n 1 upon r1 r2, where alpha is the gain coefficient per unit lambda and r1 r2 are the reflectivities of mirror surface which are spatial by L distance. Unit second, what do you mean by natural line widths? Calculated the natural line widths of absorbing transition are. पांचवा, discuss the in brief about the open optical resonator. What are the advantage of confocal rotator? Draw the one-dimensional amplitude distribution of a confocal rotator. Unit third, discuss the arrangement used in the first experiment demonstrated of the harmonic generator. How phase matching is achieved. In second harmonic generator are. What are the mechanisms that causes the non-linear polarization in a medium? Explain each in brief. Unit 4, explain the terms of parametric amplification. Derive the basic equation of parametric amplification. Discuss the basic disadvantage of this amplification are. What are the needs of parametric oscillator? Explain the working of a double resonance parameter oscillator. How the frequency tuning in achieved in a parametric oscillator. MSc काशी विद्यापीठ यूनिवर्सिटी वाराणसी, MSc थर्ड सेमेस्टर एग्जामिनेशन 2015 फिजिक्स सेकंड पेपर न्यूक्लियर फिजिक्स. गिव्स शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. पहला, डिस्क्राइब हाउ न्यूक्लियर साइज इज डिटरमाइंड. दूसरा, व्हाट डू यू मीन्स बाय न्यूक्लियर स्पिन. तीसरा, एक्सप्लेन द रेंज ऑफ द अल्फा पार्टिकल. चौथा, स्टेट जिंजर न्यूटन लॉ. पांचवा, डिस्क्राइब द ऑल द 3 बीटा डीके प्रोसेसिंग. छठवां, व्हाट आर सिलेक्शन रूल्स फॉर इमिशन ऑफ गामा रेज. सातवां आठवां, डिस्क्राइब द ब्रीफ मल्टीपोलरिटी ऑफ गामा रेज. आठवां, डिस्कस डायरेक्ट रिएक्शन. नौवां, एक्सप्लेन न्यूक्लियर फिजन. 10वां, एक्सप्लेन क्यू वैल्यू ऑफ न्यूक्लियर रिएक्शन. यूनिट फर्स्ट, व्हाट डू यू मीन्स बाय द बाइंडिंग एनर्जी ऑफ न्यूक्लियन. So how the concept of binding energy is related to the stability of atomic nucleus. Or describe the an expression of the electric dipole moments of a nucleus. How is the determined experimentally. Unit third. Second, describe Gamow theory of alpha decay. How can it be verified experimentally. Or plot energy spectrum of beta decay and explain why is a continuous spectrum while alpha ray spectrum is discrete. Unit third, write short notes of an angular correction and nuclear isomerism. Or what is mass effect with its important application. What are stripping and pickup reaction. Gives theory of D, P, stripping reaction. R. Nova, explain nuclear resonance phenomena. Describe the Finger formula for nuclear reaction. काशी विद्यापीठ यूनिवर्सिटी MSc थर्ड सेमेस्टर एग्जामिनेशन 2018 फिजिक्स थर्ड पेपर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स। आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन शॉर्ट। पहला, ड्रा द डिफरेंशियल सर्किट, व्हाट इज द क्राइटेरिया ऑफ फॉर गुड डिफरेंस। दूसरा, एक्सप्लेन एक्टिव फिल्टर्स। तीसरा, राइट शॉर्ट नोट्स एंड ऑब्जर्वेशनल एम्पलीफायर। चौथा, व्हाट इज द स्टमिक ट्रिगर। पांचवा, राइट द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ SMPS। छठवां, राइट द डबल डिफरेंशिएशन। सातवां, व्हाट डू यू डिफरेंस बिटवीन सिनुसॉइडल एंड स्क्वायर वेव, एक्सप्लेन विथ सुटेबल डायग्राम्स। आठवां, राइट शॉर्ट नोट्स ऑफ लाप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म। नौवां, गिव द एडवांटेज ऑफ एलिमिनेशन ऑफ इंटीग्रेटेड सर्किट। दसवां, डिस्क्राइब द ब्रॉडबैंड एम्पलीफायर यूनिट फर्स्ट। Discuss the response of RC circuit with different type of input. Explain the high pass RC circuits X and differentiator. Or define Laplace transform and inverse Laplace describe its application of circuit elements. Unit second, what do you understand by operational amplifier? Explain the inverting of and non-inverting PMP. What is means by CMRR and slow rates. Or what do you understand by an active and passive filters? Discuss the use of OPAMP in active filter. Draw the circuit of low pass active filters using OPAMP and explain their frequency response curve. Unit third, what do you mean by regulated power supply? Explain the working and application of regulated power supply with appropriate circuit diagram. Or satma, explain SMPS in details with necessary circuit diagram. Also discuss the difference between regulated power supply and SMPS. Unit 4, explain in details the different process involved in the fabrication of monolithic integrated circuit. Is it possible to fabricate monolithic integrated circuit of by P and PN transistor? If yes, explain how. Or now, explain broadband amplifier with suitable diagram. Describe the methods for achieving broadbanding. काशी विद्यापीठ वाराणसी MSc थर्ड सेमेस्टर एग्जामिनेशन 2018 फिजिक्स फोर्थ पेपर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स। आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन शॉर्ट। पहला, व्हाट इज स्टमिक ट्रिगर। दूसरा, व्हाट डू यू मीन्स बाय टर्न ऑन टाइम ए रजिस्टर्स। तीसरा, व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय 1s complement and 2s complement of binary number. चौथा, प्रूव दैट ABC plus AB bar C plus ABC bar equal to A in bracket B plus C and AB bar plus AB bar C plus A bar BC equal to A bar C plus AB bar. पांचवा, व्हाट इज रेस प्रॉब्लम इन फ्लिप फ्लॉप्स। छठवां, व्हाट डिस्कस द ऑपरेशन ऑफ डी टाइप फ्लिप फ्लॉप्स। सातवां, व्हाट डू यू मीन्स बाय फैन इन एंड आउट। सातवां, व्हाट डू यू मीन्स बाय ट्रांजिस्टर रजिस्टर वेयर दीज रजिस्टर आर यूज्ड। नौवां, एक्सप्लेन रिंग काउंटर। दसवां, डिस्कस अबाउट द अर्थमेटिक सर्किट। यूनिट फर्स्ट सेकेंड, ड्रा द ट्रांजिस्टर स्विचिंग and explain the variation switching times when transistor makes a transition from cuts off states to the saturation states. And black. Or what are universal logic gates? Draw the positive logic or and gates circuit with two diodes and also explain the circuits not gates using transistor. Unit second, for a what is gray code? Outline the procedure of converting for a given binary number to its gray code equivalent. B, do you do the following number conversion? 8 7 9 10 क्वेश्चन 16 1 16 54.37 to 8 equal to question number 10. Or minimize the function f of a comma b comma c comma d is equal to summation m 0 comma 1 2 comma 4 comma 8 comma 10 comma 11 comma 13 comma 15 using k maps. You third, discuss the working of JK flip-flops. What is race round condition? How would it be removed using master slave flip-flops? Or Satwa, it is often desirable to trigger a 555 mono-stable multivibrator either on leading edge or on the trailing edge of a continuous pulse train. Suggest 555 mono circuits for these two cases. Unit 4. What is the hardware requirement of to the constructor a mode 3 counter that counts in the natural counts sequence using flip-flop and draw the circuit arrangement? Nova, draw the block diagram of a ripple counter, sketch the wave form and at the output of each flip-flops of a 3-stage counter. Discuss how this wave form chart is obtained. Complete. Namaskar.